Exercise 1. Dumbbell decline, single arm, overhead sit-up. Think of that dumbbell as a trophy you've sworn to protect. Keep the arm locked out and perfectly vertical like a flagpole. If the weight drifts forward or sideways, it means your abs are clocking out early. And we don't allow early leave here. Stay slow on the way down. Brace hard and let the abs do the talking, not your lower back. Exercise 2. Dumbbell overhead. Sit up. The rule is simple. Elbows locked, weight stacked over shoulders, and zero swinging. Move smoothly so it looks like you're being lifted by strings, not yanked by gravity. At the top, sit tall and relaxed, like you meant to do that, not like you just survived it. Exercise 3. Crunch, straight leg up. Your legs aren't supposed to move. They're just classy decor. Keep your core tight and think about closing the distance from ribs to hips. If your chin is trying to kiss your chest, that's too much neck work. Let the abs shine and move like you're pressing a slow-motion button. Exercise 4. Arm slingers, hanging bent knee legs. Your mission: absolute stillness from the chest up. Lock the shoulders down, own your position, and lift the knees using your abs, not momentum. If you start swinging, pause, reset, and pretend you're a statue with excellent core control. Exercise 5. Cable, kneeling crunch. This one is all about spinal movement, not arm pulling. Curl your spine like a wave moving through your back. Keep your hips steady and squeeze your abs as if you're shrinking yourself by 2 inches. Bonus tip: lighter weight with perfect rounding beats. Heavy weight with chaos every time. Exercise 6. Dumbbell V. Up. Make this movement as smooth as a movie transition. Straight legs, long arms, chest proud, and meet in the middle like it's a romantic comedy finale. If you flop down like a falling tree afterwards, slow it down. Control on the way down is where the real sculpting happens. Exercise 7. Extra decline sit-up. Once the bench gets steep, ego must go downhill, not your form. Lead with the abs, gently round the spine, and forget about speed. If your hip flexors are doing the work, you'll feel it right away. Stay humble, stay controlled, and pretend every rep is being judged in slow-motion replay. Exercise 8. Mountain climber form first, pace second. Keep your body in one long line and drive the knees like you're running towards your goals, quietly. If your hips bounce up and down like a dance routine, slow it down and reconnect with your core. Exercise 9. Front plank. This is the quiet warrior of AB training. Brace hard, squeeze the glutes, tighten the core like you're about to cough, and hold, calmly. If your hips sag or your back arches, reset. Quality holds beat long, wobbly ones every single time. Exercise 10. Hanging leg raises. Avoid swinging your body. Control is everything. Brace your core before you begin the lift and exhale as your legs rise. Aim for smooth, steady movement and pause at the top to maximize lower ab activation before lowering slowly. Exercise 11. Easy bar reverse crunch. Focus on lifting your hips rather than pulling with your legs. Keep the bar steady throughout, avoiding momentum. A slow contraction up and down ensures continuous tension on the abs, which is far more effective than rushing reps. Exercise 12. Ring isometric. Hold reverse ab. Roll out, maintain a tight plank position, and don't let your hips sag. Pull your knees in under control while keeping your core braced. The isometric tension from the rings makes this exercise intense, so concentrate on steady breathing. Exercise 13. Seated flutter. Keep your core tight to protect your lower back from arching. Perform quick but controlled movements, avoiding large kicks. The key is endurance. Focus on consistent small motions while keeping your legs just off the ground. Exercise 14. Dumbbells seated. Tuck crunch on floor balance is key when holding the dumbbell between your feet. Don't rush. Bring your knees in with control and extend back out smoothly. Keep your torso stable and your core braced to avoid unnecessary strain on your lower back. Exercise 15. Dumbbell seated tuck crunch. Hold the dumbbell firmly at your sides without letting your grip shift. Keep the movement slow and controlled, pulling knees in without collapsing your torso forward. Consistent tension on the core makes this variation especially challenging and effective. Exercise 16. Lying floor leg raise. Press your lower back firmly into the floor to avoid strain. Keep your legs straight and controlled. Don't let momentum take over. Stop just before your heels touch the ground to maintain constant tension on the lower abs.